In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create multiple email addresses in one Gmail account. This process is done inside Gmail settings on a computer, and it lets you send emails from an additional address while staying in the same Gmail inbox. It is especially useful if you manage more than one identity, like a work address and a personal address, and you want a single place to send mail from the right address each time. Start by opening Gmail on your computer and making sure you are signed into the Gmail account you want to use as your main account. Once Gmail loads, look to the top right area for the settings icon that looks like a gear. Click the gear icon, then choose See All Settings. This takes you to the full settings page, where you can manage sending options, inbox behavior, and account tools. Across the top of the settings page, find and select the tab called Accounts and Import. This is where Gmail stores options related to logging in and sending mail. Now scroll until you see the section labeled Send Mail As. In that section, click Add Another Email Address. A small window will appear. Here, enter the name you want recipients to see when you send messages, and then enter the alternate email address you want to send from. Make sure you type the address carefully because Gmail will verify it. Next, keep the option Treat as an alias checked. This helps Gmail handle the address correctly for sending, and it is the standard choice for most people. Then click Next Step. After that, you will be prompted to verify that you have access to the address you just added. Click Send Verification. Gmail will send a verification message to that alternate email address. You will need to open that inbox and follow the verification instructions in the email so Gmail can confirm the address belongs to you. Once the verification is complete, the new address will appear in the Send Mail As list, and you will be able to choose it when you compose an email. Take a moment to double-check that you are sending from the correct address before you hit send, especially when switching between addresses, and that is all there is to it.